Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we'll be covering a tool made by LabSmile called Domino CLI. Step 1. Head over to LabSmile's GitHub repo. Link is attached in the description and grab the link for repo as shown in the video. Don't forget to grab the pre-trained model file using the Google form link as shown in the video. Fill out the form details and you'll get a domino.pth file as soon as our team reviews the contents. You can see that I have my domino.pth file as well as my input NIfTI file. You can also use multiple files, but you'll need to provide a folder as an input. Now let's clone the repository using the link we copied earlier. We will now copy the domino.pth file to the repo folder using cp command. Now we need to make sure that we have correct permissions for the bash and Python file. If not, you can use the chmod command as shown in the video. You can check the permissions if you see the X letter in the user block. Modify the command to suit your need. Now we will execute the file called run.sh with the NIfTI file as an argument. If you have multiple files to segment, you will specify a folder with those files. Take a note that this bash file creates its own virtual environment. If you use Poetry or Conda, you can install packages listed in requirements file and then directly run the domino.py file. The logs you see are the output of domino.py file. You may edit the arguments in this file per your needs. Now we will find our output or outputs in a folder called Outputs. Each output file will have a paired domino suffix to distinguish it from the original file. Following is the example output for our input in MRI CrowGL.